Hospitals are feeling the pressure of the Omicron variant. More than 5,600 people are hospitalized statewide with COVID-19 or a suspected infection. That means about a third of hospital patients in Georgia have the virus right now. The Fox Medical Team's Beth Galvin joins us now live with the latest. And Beth, it sounds like even though Omicron is supposedly milder than Delta, hospitalizations are up across the country.
Yes, Russ, I think, the U.S. is just breaking a pandemic record in the last couple of days with about 145,000 Americans in the hospital with COVID-19, likely most of them with the Omicron variant complications. And some of these people are being hospitalized with complications of the virus. Others are what are considered incidental cases. So that means somebody that was hospitalized for another reason, say they were coming in for surgery, a planned surgery, and then they tested positive on a screening test. So they're listed as, hospitalized with COVID. And many healthcare workers are also being impacted by the virus. They're either being, testing positive, or they're ending up testing positive and developing symptoms of the virus, which means that they can't work with this heavier patient load. And Dr. Felipe Lobello, who's an epidemiologist and a physician with Kaiser Permanente, Georgia, says that they are anticipating this month anywhere from about 10 to 20% of their healthcare workers will be sidelined by this Omicron variant.
We see that, for example, with the huge influx in cases and testing and, the personnel that works in the lab, not just the personnel that works in the emergency room and the hospital. It's a whole of a system, stress that we are managing right now. And obviously that's why we need help from the community to, do the things that we know work.
And one thing that is very effective, he says, is wearing a mask, especially when you're going to be out in crowded indoor settings around other people from outside your home. Dr. Lobello is saying now is a really good time, if you've been wearing a cotton mask, to maybe upgrade your mask and try to get an N95 mask or a KN95 mask that offer filtration and layering. He says, what might work almost as well is a surgical mask, as long as it fits you snugly. Russ?
But the fashionable cloth ones, not so much, it sounds like. All right, Beth, thanks very much.